In today's video, we are going to see about switch words and manifestation numbers possibly, or the combinations to save us from negativity. See, there are a number of things. First, it can be our own negative thoughts, which is creating the negativity within us. And people who come to me for consultation, they always tell, ma'am, I'm feeling very negative. I have to do something for this. Please suggest some remedy. See, all the remedies which I suggest are very simple, easily doable, and if you see the whole Power of Words series, every remedy suggested in that is very powerful. Okay. So in the Power of Words series, today we are going to see about how you can solve any problem in life. So the remedy to solve any problem in life. So the switch word for that is to solve any problem. It's suddenly 741 somehow. So think about the problem in your mind and start telling this. Suddenly 741 somehow. Suddenly 741 somehow. So if you keep repeating this, thinking about the problem gets solved. Okay, because you're conveying to the subconscious that you want this problem to be resolved somehow. And when your subconscious gets that thought, it works on it. The only problem is your conscious mind will not let the subconscious mind get that thought. Otherwise, like unless and until if that is switch words or any other means, normally when someone tells that, oh, your problem will be solved somehow, your subconscious mind won't get that at all, because your conscious mind stops it. It tells how is that possible, or how will that thing happen. So try this for getting any problem resolved. Okay, and here if you see the 741 angel number is the signal of fulfillment. So it's the number of fulfillment. So your subconscious mind gets that fulfilled feeling that it would be resolved. So suddenly 741 somehow. And for negative thoughts, okay, this is the primary problem which everyone tells. I cannot stop my negative thought. I'm trying to stop it, but I'm feeling so negative. I'm getting negative thoughts and I'm worrying about it. So what can I do for that? And they ask me every time, like, ma'am, please suggest something for that. So I've given this even in my other interviews, but I'm giving it here again in my channel. So it's clear, cancel, delete. Whenever you're feeling negative, repeat the words clear, cancel, delete. Clear, cancel, delete. Okay, when you do this, it quickly removes that negative thought and refreshes you. You can instantly feel refreshed. Clear, cancel, delete. Okay, use that. And people generally tell that I'm feeling so unsafe. I'm worried about this problem. Like, is there any switch word for saving or protecting me? And I'm also feeling negativity from others, like from other people. I'm feeling so negative. I'm just getting some negative energy from them. So what you have to do is that you have to use the switch word guard. So guard is for protecting you from negative energies or any type of negativity, or in general to protect you. You'll feel protected and safe. You will not have that unsafe feeling. So use guard for protection. Okay. And the final one, and this is the most important. So even if you use guard, you will feel protected. But if you really want to ripple the negative energies like back to them, or even giving it back, just protecting and building a energy shell for you, what you can do is that you can use sage. Okay, so sage is the word which dispels evil, dispel negativity and opposite energies, and also it protects you from negative energy. So try all 4 of these and do tell in the comment section if it works out for you. And definitely only when you tell the world, you would get, you gain some positive things out of it, and only when you tell the world you get good karma too. Okay, and the way I would suggest for you to work this out is repeatedly telling. Okay, you can use the 369 method, or you can write it inside this, something like an energy circle. Make a circle, write inside whatever switch word you wanna do for yourself, and stick it to your water bottle, or stick it in things or your mobile or whichever you be having with yourself. So if you keep this in the water bottle, or stick to it, water absorbs the word's energy. You can also have this under your pillow. And what I do is that I keep different water bottles for drinking. So I just stick it to my table and I keep water bottle on top of it so that the water absorbs the energy from these words. Okay, so hope this helps. And especially I have seen number of testimonies for this negative thoughts, clear, cancel, delete. I have given in this in other interviews, and there people have given even in the comment section itself that it works out, and they have personally told me to. So I really want you guys to try it, because negative thought is something which we are dealing with every day, right? So yeah, do try and let me know. Thank you so much.